अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज जो मेरे पास बुक है उसका नाम है द विज़िट ऑफ ओज और ये लिखी है एल फ्रांक बाम ने। ये बुक हमारे स्कूल में 4th क्लास में लगवाई गई थी, जो लिखी हुई है। और इस बुक को उस टाइम पे मैंने इतने गौर से नहीं पढ़ा था और मैंने संभाल के रख दिया था कि जब कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं इसको आराम से पढ़ूँगी। और आज मैं BS सेकंड सेमेस्टर के अंदर आके मैंने इस बुक को दोबारा खोला, जो मैंने अरसे दराज से संभाल के रखी हुई थी, और इसके चैप्टर्स को मैं 1 बाय 1 पढ़ूँगी। ये इसके चैप्टर्स हैं साइक्लोन, मैन विद नो हार्ट, लाइन वगैरह। और हम लोग इसके पहले चैप्टर से डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि मैं इंट्रोडक्शन कम ही पढ़ा करती हूँ। वैसे पढ़ने चाहिए लेकिन मेरा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता उसके अंदर, मैं बाद में पढ़ लिया करती हूँ वो। तो हम लोग पहला चैप्टर इसका स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला चैप्टर है इसका द साइक्लोन, द फार्म इन कैंसस। Dorothy lived in a little farmhouse in the middle of Kansas. She lived there with her Uncle Henry and Aunt Em. Uncle Henry was a farmer. The farmhouse was small. There were 4 walls, a floor and a roof, which made just one room. In this room there was a place to wash things and place to cook food. There were a cupboard for dishes and table. There were 3 or 4 chairs and 2 beds. Uncle Henry and Aunt Em had a big bed in one corner. Dorothy had a little bed in another corner. The only other thing in the house was a small door in the floor. Under it was a large, dark hole in the ground. It was called a storm cellar. If there was a storm called a cyclone, that was where Dorothy, Aunt Em, and Uncle Henry went. Dorothy stood at the door of the farmhouse. She could see the garden, where Aunt Em grew vegetables. She could also see some sheds, where Uncle Henry kept the cows and horses. After that, there was nothing, no other families to visit or children to play with. But Dorothy had someone to play with. He was a little dog. His name was Toto. He had a long black hair, small, bright eyes, and a funny little cold, wet nose. Toto played all day long, and Dorothy played with him. Dorothy loved Toto very much. A strange thing happens. One day, Uncle Henry was sitting at the open door of the farmhouse. He was looking up at the sky. He could see some big black clouds. Dorothy was standing at the door with Toto in her arms. She was looking at the sky too. Aunt Em was washing the dishes. From the north, Uncle Henry and Dorothy heard the noise of the wind. They could see the long grass moving. They then heard the noise of the wind coming from the south. They looked that way. They saw small waves in the grass coming quickly towards them. There is a cyclone coming. Em. Uncle Henry shouted to Aunt Em, "Go down into the cellar. I will go and look after the animals." He ran towards the sheds. Aunt Em stopped work. She came to the door. "Quickly, Dorothy," she said. Toto jumped out of Dorothy's arms. He did not like going into the storm cellar. He ran and hid under the bed. The little girl went to get him. Aunt Em climbed down into the dark cellar. Dorothy caught Toto and turned to follow. She ran towards the cellar door. She heard the wind making a very loud noise. The house shook. Dorothy fell over. Then a very strange thing happened. The house moved. It turned round 2 or 3 times. Then it rose slowly into the air. "It feels like we are going up in the balloon," thought Dorothy. What was happening? Well, the north and south winds met where the house stood. The house was at the center of a cyclone. In the middle of a cyclone, the air is still, but the wind rushes round and round on the outside. The cyclone lifted the little house. The house went up and up until it was high in the sky. The cyclone carried the house far, far away.